Today, we are going to start our journey of ethical hacking from scratch in this channel. This is going to be practical, so you will not get bored, as we will do some fancy stuff too. I know you people want to see that and are curious like a child, which is necessary. But also I will not completely neglect the theory, as they are required if you want to remember what you learn forever. So, what do we mean by hacking? To those people thinking it is to revenge or to do nuisance on the internet, well, it is not, but can be used for it by people without ethics, which we aren't. Actually, it is being able to gain access to a system that you're not supposed to have access to. So for example, logging into an email account that you're not supposed to have access to is considered hacking that account. Gaining access to a remote computer that you're not supposed to have access to is hacking that computer. Reading information that you're not supposed to be able to read, again, is considered hacking. So you can see that there is a large number of ways to hack into a system. And the word hacking can refer to a number of things. But the main concept is the same. Gaining access or being able to do things that you're not supposed to be able to do is considered hacking. There are three main types of hackers. Generally, three groups are there. We have the black hat hackers. These are the bad people that hack systems illegally in order to steal money, information, or to achieve their own illegal goals. The second part of hackers is the white hat hackers. So this is us. These people use the same techniques used by the black hat hackers, and they also hack into systems, but they only hack into systems that they have permission to hack in order to test the security of the systems. And finally, we have the gray hat hackers. These are a mixture of the two. So they'll hack into any system, even if they don't have permission to test the security of the system, but they will never steal money or damage that system. And in most cases, they'll go ahead and tell the administrator of that system. But what they do is still illegal because they test the security of systems that they do not own or do not have permission to test. Other hacking terms that you should be familiar with are ethical hacking. Ethical hacking is testing the resources for an honest cause and for the betterment of technology. Technically, ethical hacking means that penetration testing that is targeted on securing and protective IT systems. Hacktivism. Another sort of hackers are hacktivists, who try and broadcast political or social messages through their work. A hacktivist needs public awareness of a difficulty. Examples of hacktivism are the online sites that were damaged with the jihad messages in the name of active terrorism. Cyber terrorists. There are hackers who are known as cyber terrorists who attack government computers or utility infrastructures like power stations and air traffic control towers. They crash vital systems or steal classified government data. While in a conflict with enemy countries, some government begin cyber war via web. One big question that people always ask is why hacking? Why teach or learn to hack? Well, hacking is an existing industry. There are lots of job opportunities for ethical hackers, for people like us, who would go ahead and test the security of systems to make sure that these systems are secure and not vulnerable to black hat hackers. There's actually a huge demand for ethical hackers these days because of the increased amount of hacking attacks. So we hear on the daily big systems and big companies are getting hacked. So companies like Uber, Facebook, and Google hire hackers in order to try and hack into their systems and tell them where the weaknesses are so that they can fix them. They also have bug bounty programs where they literally ask all the hackers around the world to go ahead and try to hack into their websites and with their web applications. And if they could, they will pay them a bounty for the bugs that they find. There's a world out there with endless possibilities, so stay on the track. Stop texting your GF or BF 24/7 and reap rewards future when this industry will boom, and you will have all the skills in your arsenal. It's Talks are over and out.